Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make butterscotch cake. For that, first we need to beat 2 eggs nicely. Then add half cup of powdered sugar and 4 tablespoons of oil and whisk well. We can add 1 teaspoon butterscotch essence and mix thoroughly. Then add 1 cup of maida, quarter teaspoon baking powder and a pinch salt. Batter is ready now. Pour it into a baking pan. Bake it for 30 to 45 minutes. Our cake is ready. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe.